Today it's on Friday. I'm heading to town. I want to take some packages and and we are going to do my hair tomorrow. So the main thing that I'm going to take from town is what I'm going to do to my hair. So let me show you the outfit of the day, then let's head out. So this is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing this shirt, then this wide legs, I don't know what they are called, and some platforms. So yeah, basically that's the outfit. I'm not wearing any sweater because it's sunny outside. So let's head out. So hi guys, I'm back. These are the things that I was going for in town. So the first thing is this gold headband, then this packet of earrings, then this Sophia umbrella. It comes with this kadingi firimbi. So Sophia character. Then this was the main thing that took me to town. This is a weave. Let me cut it. So it's called Sianta. It's 18 inches and it comes with closure. Yeah, I picked color 133. It's a wave weave, so this is how it's supposed to look. Yeah, then I have this package, so let me remove this dust. So it's a selfie stick stroke tripod. So this is how it looks. The box, it comes with a remote. So these are the available colors, but I chose black. This is how it looks. Now let's open it. So it comes in this paper. This is how it looks. It's a little bit heavy, but yeah, I think that's the point, so that ujue umeshika kitu kwa mkono. Then you open. Alafu here, how do you do this? Oh, so here's where you place your phone. It can rotate, so when you want to use it heavy, when you want to use it upright, then there's a button here, or it's the remote, I don't know. Then hii hivi hapa chini, so I think Mungu wangu, how do you do this? Oh, here, then you open it. Yeah, so that's how it stands. Then let me familiarize with it first, then I'm going to shoot the rest of the video using this selfie stick stroke tripod, or selfie stick tripod. So yeah. Hi guys, I'm from the salon. I already have the hair installed. I did my brows. This is the first time doing it, so I don't know how I'm feeling about it, but I think it's okay. Then I did my nails. Yeah, so now let's head back home, do some cleaning, then I'll see you guys tomorrow. know it's dark. It's currently 6. So the last time I talked to you guys was yesterday when I was from the salon. Now we are from Roslyn. We went there to get some stuffs, and right now we are getting fish from a place called Fish Palace. They really have some really tasty fish. Anyway, that's what we're having for supper. So yeah, we've dropped here to take some fish, then head home, and that will be the end of this vlog. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.